we are going to make another connection to what we learned with addition, now with our subtraction. So our last lesson, we talked about subtracting 0 and how it was similar to adding 0. And now we're going to look at another type of pattern, and you will recognize this pretty quick, okay? So looking here, I want you to think about when we had the number 5, and we showed that we could build that number in many different ways, right? We said, well, I could have 5 reds. But if I take away one of those reds, I would have to put a blue to keep it balanced and still keep it at 5. And we continued that pattern. If I take away another red, I have to put another blue. So now I see 3 and 2 make 5. If I took away a red, I add a blue, and now 2 and 3 make 5. Continue the pattern, add another blue, 1 and 4 make 5, and finally I get back to 0 and 5 make 5. Well, we're going to see those same patterns when we're doing subtraction. If I have 5, how many ways can I take it apart? I have 5. I could take away nothing, and I still have 5. I have 5. If I take away 1, it leaves me with 4. I have 5. If I take away 2, it leaves me with 3. I have 5. If I take away 3, it leaves me with 2. I have 5. If I take away 4, it leaves me with 1. I have 5. If I take away all of them, all 5, it leaves me with nothing. Look at the numbers. Notice that if the part I take away gets bigger, then the part that's left gets smaller. Do you remember that same idea when we were doing addition? Let me write down what the addition was that we had. We had that if I had 5 and nothing else, I still had 5. If I had 4, I needed 1 more to still have 5. If I had 3, I needed 2 more to still have 5. If I had 2, I needed 3 more to still have 5. If I had 1, I needed 4 more to still have 5. And if I didn't have any, then I needed a whole group of 5 to get to 5. What do you notice? The same numbers that were used as the parts in addition get used as the parts in subtraction. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 5 minus 0 equals 5. Let's see if the rest of them line up. 4, 1. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 5 minus 1 equals 4. 3, 2. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Two, 3. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 5 minus 3 equals 2. 1, 4. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 0, 5. 0 plus 5 equals 5. 5 minus 5 equals 0. Did the pattern stay true all the way through? Yes, it did. That is because addition and subtraction create what we call related facts. Facts where you can build a number and then turn around and take that number back apart. So if there are two parts that you can put together to create something, then you can take that thing apart and create the individual parts again. So if I have a 4 and a 6 and I want to build a 10, I can do that. But then I can take that 10 apart into 4 and 6 again. Okay? Hopefully you are paying attention to these patterns because they just keep building on each other and they're adding tools to your brain to let you be able to be a problem solver and continue with math.